We were really excited to go to Long Bay Beach on the north end because this is where you can see all of the kite surfers. This is on Providenciales on the southeast side of the island. This is a super long beach, 3 miles long, and today we're exploring the north end. So on Google Maps, it's titled Long Bay Beach Access Number 1, and there was free parking on the side of the street, and then you just walk right directly to the beach. So there's a welcome sign and shows you the etiquette for kite surfing. And as we came out, we saw that there's a little restaurant bar area, and then there's a lot of rental places where you can rent jet skis, you can take kite surfing lessons. So this water's really shallow, so we didn't do any snorkeling here, but because it's shallow, it's a perfect place for kite surfing.